Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to manage your keyboard clipboard on Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. So to do that, you'll need to open any app that allows your keyboard to pop up. So I'm gonna use Messages for this example, and we need to pop our keyboard like this, and here you will have a clipboard icon. You press on it, and here you will have all your sentences or words that you've added to your clipboard. I have none, so I'm going to show you how to add one. So we start typing any word we want, for example here elephant. We hold our finger onto it and just press copy. And now if we go back to our clipboard like this, we have this word here. And you can do it with sentences or multiple words otherwise. So that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave a like and a comment below.